Hello. Now I am going to explain you the type of adsorption on the basis of force of attraction. On the basis of force of attraction. On the basis of force of attraction, the adsorption will get divided into two parts. Number one is physical adsorption, or we can say physisorption. Number two is chemical adsorption, or we can say chemisorption. One is physical, that is physisorption. Second is chemical, that is chemisorption. This question was there in previous year board questions examination, and it is of 2 marks. Okay, very important question from the board point of view. The first difference is what is physical adsorption or physisorption? First difference is the force of attraction between the adsorbate and the adsorbent are weak van der Waals forces, weak physical forces. Hence, it named as physisorption. On the other hand, in chemisorption, there is a strong chemical bond between the adsorbate and the adsorbent. This is the first difference. Second difference is the enthalpy of adsorption in physisorption is less. Why? Because there are weak van der Waals forces. The enthalpy of adsorption is less, that is 20 to 40 kilojoule per mole. On the other hand, in chemisorption, there is a strong chemical bond. Hence, there is a high enthalpy of adsorption, that is 200 to 400 kilojoule per mole. This is the second difference. Third difference is the physical adsorption is not specific in nature. It is not specific. It means any gas can be adsorbed on any surface. Any gas can be adsorbed on any surface. On other hand, in chemisorption, it is highly specific in nature. Highly specific. Specific means fixed. It means a particular gas can be adsorbed on a particular surface. Those gases which form the strong chemical bond with the adsorbate, they can adsorb only, not all gases. Hence, chemisorption is highly specific in nature. Number three is in physisorption, multi-layers can be formed. Suppose there is an adsorbate, one layer of adsorbent, second layer of adsorbate, third layer of adsorbent. It means the multi-layers can be possible in physical adsorption. On the other hand, in chemical adsorption, only a single mono layer get formed. Okay. Next difference is effect of temperature. As I told you earlier, what is the effect of temperature on the adsorption? With increasing temperature, the rate of adsorption decreases. Yes, that one happens only in the case of physical adsorption. So in physical adsorption, it decreases with increase in temperature, but in chemical adsorption, it increases with the rate with the increase in temperature. Next one is effect of pressure. What happens in pressure? In physical adsorption, it is directly proportional to the pressure. On the other hand, the chemical adsorption is inversely proportional to the pressure. Okay, these are the differences between the physical adsorption and the chemical adsorption. I will send you the screenshot also. Kindly note it down. Okay, bye. Thanks.